Hey, what's up, everybody? So today is an interesting day because today is the day that we actually a day where we have two cleanings. So our checkout time is 10 a.m. and our check-in time is 3 p.m. And so you can do the math on that pretty quickly. That means we have about 5 hours to get 2 units clean. And what's funny about that is it takes about 3 hours to clean 1 unit. And so today it's all hands on deck. We have everybody going to the 2 Airbnbs that we need to clean today. And so I'm going to take you guys to one of them so you can have a sneak peek and see what's happening on the inside of our short-term rental business today. So what's kind of cool about this spot is this one is about 3 minutes from my house. So I'm just taking a back road right now. I hop over the highway and then boom, we're there in this new subdivision. And so I'll show you guys the subdivision as we're driving in to the house. But yeah, super close, super convenient. I love doing business like that. Makes things way easier. All right, so what's cool about this area is we actually have 2 units here. There's an older subdivision, which is on this side, and then the newer subdivision here. I'll just drive up here. Usually I take a left here, but I'll take the next left, and then we have newer subdivision over here. So we have one spot over in this subdivision, which I'll show you guys in another video. We have a guest staying there right now. And then here's the older subdivision. This one was built probably about 5 years ago. And so, again, fairly new. This one's had a couple extra headaches than dealing with a new build, but overall, it's been really good. What I mean by that is, like, we had an issue with the furnace one day and had to get that fixed ASAP. But just around the corner here, you're gonna see it in a second, is what we call Legacy. It's called My Legacy Stay. That's what we like to call it. And so it's right here, and I'll show you guys the inside. Okay, so here it is. This one is about, it's probably 20 minutes to downtown Niagara Falls and about 15 minutes to the city of Niagara Falls. So it's a really good location. For me, location is so important. And so let's jump in. Okay. Hey, how's it going? So there's one of my cleaners right there, busy at work. We actually have 3 cleaners working here today. And they know I'm taking video right now. And so not only are our cleaners working, but the co-owner of our business is also working today because we've got about 17 minutes to get this place ready to go and ready for the next guest. So I'll show you guys the place real quickly here. And Melissa is right behind me, my partner in crime. Anyway, here's the bathroom. So this is a 3-bedroom house. All right. And we stage all our spots very similar. All right. So bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and we gotta fix this lamp here. See, I like to come in just so we can do the little things like that. We gotta fix that lamp. All fixed up now. And then here's the master. And this is actually the first one that we ever furnished, the first one we did. And if I was to do it again, I would put a king in this room. We only have a queen, as you can tell. King would go way better. So one tip that I would give you is when you're doing an Airbnb and you have 2 or 3 or 4 bedrooms, put a king in the master. It makes the world of a difference. People love it. When you have a queen, it's just I need a king. So I definitely recommend doing that. Okay, so here's the master bathroom. It's very simple, but we stage all of our spots. I said this in the last video, but we do stage them very similarly. So we like to have a nice bed frame, 2 end tables, and then painting above the bed. And then we try to put a TV in every single room. Why do we put TVs? Because that is a convenience that people like. When you go and stay at spots, do you like a room without a TV? Probably not. So I try to put myself in the shoes of what a guest would like. But so yeah, so this is the master. And I'll take you guys downstairs real quick into, it's actually got a really similar layout to Concord or other property. But yeah, we keep it simple. And like I was saying, this is the first one that we ever furnished. And it took us forever to furnish it, like to get art. And then you get better as you do it more and more and more. You get better and better and better at it. And so it's awesome because a lot of people love this place because they're like, hey, you know what, it feels so cozy. And that was the thing that we tried to do. And I think the thing that makes this the most cozy is this piece of art. And the artwork is so important. It's probably one of the most important parts of staging an Airbnb is having good artwork. Because the artwork ties it in. It makes it feel homey. It gives it a luxury feel. And depending on the type of art that you use, gives it the vibe of the house. And so for me, I always say never cheap out on artwork. There are things that you can cheap out on. Do not cheap out on the artwork because it really does create the vibe and the feel. Okay, so it looks like our cleaners are going to be out of there in time. Talk about just being in the nick of the time. And sometimes, as a short-term rental property manager, sometimes you got to get your hands dirty and get in and get the job done so you can get things ready for the next guest. So anyways, if you enjoyed this content, if you want to see more inside sneak peeks into our business and how we operate and how we do things, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. We want to hear from you. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.